Meaning of gorgeous.
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 Gorgeous. Gorgeous is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely beautiful, stunning, or attractive. The word typically refers to physical appearance, but can also be used to describe other things such as clothing or artwork. It conveys a sense of admiration and appreciation for the object being referred to, and implies a high level of aesthetic appeal. A person who is described as gorgeous is often considered to be exceptionally good-looking or stunningly beautiful, while an object or piece of art described as gorgeous is typically visually striking and impressive.